Hello, 6th grade. Today we're going to practice with our drawing pencils. There are bundles of these for you. Please put them back in the bundles of 6, okay? So keep your 6 from mixing with your friends and then put them back in a bundle at the end. I'm going to show you how these work. So H stands for hard. H stands for hard, and 2, this is an H, this is a 2H. This is the lightest pencil that you will have. So you can put that 2H, you can write that here in the light lines box, and then draw some light lines here in the light line box with it, okay? 2H is the lightest, 2 hard. H stands for hard, and then B stands for black. So the more black it is, so it says 2 black, 4 black, 6 black, that means it's a darker carbon, okay? So 2H, and then HB is also a pretty light pencil. That's a hard black pencil. You can draw some light lines here, okay? So those two should be in light lines. Then for your medium lines, you are going to do the 1 black, which is just says B, and then 2B. So you can write that here so you know what the order is. B is first, and then 2B. And then you can draw your lines here, B and 2B, okay? Just so you can kind of see what these are like. And then this last one, these dark lines should be 4B and 6B. And you can't really see it because this is dark, so you can write it up here if you want. So do some 4B lines, do some 6B lines, okay? So now you've got your pencils from light to dark. You can kind of see what that's like. And now we're going to practice with our pencil pressure, okay? But there's only one box on this document. I need to make one myself that has more. So I'm going to give you some instructions here. What I want you to do is this one, you're going to start with the hardest and the lightest. So you're going to do 2H, and you're going to color really lightly in here. Please do this more tidy than I am doing it. Fill up the whole box. And then this is going to be slightly darker. You can see you have a gradient scale here to kind of help you out. And then your medium tone, you're going to press even harder here, but fill up your whole box, okay? And then this is going to be getting pretty dark, and then as dark as you can with the 2H. All right, so for comparison quickly, I'm going to show you all the way at the other end of the scale. Hang on, Huxley. No, thank you. You can see this is a 6B, how dark that one is. Oh, that's at the other end of the scale, okay? So once you have that done, 2H, you're gonna flip this over, and what I need you to do is make 5 more scales, okay? The same size as this one. So you need to draw your boxes. You can use a ruler if you want to, you don't have to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, make them maybe a little tidier than I just did. And you need to make 5 boxes. So that means you're going to draw 4 lines. If you draw 4 lines in these, it's going to help you. That's how you're going to make 5 boxes, excuse me. Okay? So then you're going to label these. Now you already did 2H on the front. So you're going to do HB. This one's going to be HB. And then this one is going to be just B, and then 2B, and then 4B, and 6B. Okay? And you're going to do the same thing, light to dark, with your pencils. Okay, so go back, let's find our HB again. So you're gonna draw as lightly as you can in this box. You're gonna sketch really lightly. And then you're gonna go to medium, and then a little bit darker. Try to have a medium amount of pressure here in the middle, and then a full kind of pressure towards the end. But I want you, again, I want you to fill up this whole box, okay, with your marks. Fill this whole box up so that you get some good practice with your pencil pressure, okay? So then just to show you, hang on, buddy, just to show you what the 6B is gonna look like. Yes. You're gonna have to really lightly draw for the 6B because it's really dark. It really likes to put the pigment down. It's much softer. So you can tell that the carbon is a lot softer, and it really likes to go onto the paper much darker than the other ones. Okay, so you can see that I am creating a gradient, but at the end you should have 6 full gradients. Okay, and that's what we're doing today. Thank you.